Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to a new Irregular Verbs video. In this video, we'll tackle the next 10 irregular verbs from 111 up until 120. The list keeps on growing and you keep on getting smarter and better at English. Good on you, keep up the good work and stay tuned. A quick recap on why we do this video series. The most used verbs in any language are almost always irregular verbs, which means these verbs do not follow the normal rules. In this playlist, you will read those irregulars and hear those irregulars, so you can practice the writing and the pronouncing. Good luck! Spend, spent, spent. Spill, spilt, spilt. Spin, spun, spun. Spit, spat, spat. Spread, spread, spread. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Stick, stuck, stuck. Sting, stung, stung. Stink, stank, stunk. Let's practice that pronunciation once more. Spend, spent, spent. Spill, spilt, spilt. Spin, spun, spun. Spit, spat, spat. Spread, spread, spread. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Stick, stuck, stuck. Sting, stung, stung. Stink, stank, stunk. Good job! Make sure to keep on practicing and re-watch the video if needed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for a next Begrepen video.